judge in Animax Anime, Rihanna, to join me here on stage.
Hello guys!
Yeah.
It's been, like an hour, I guess.
Naka-entertain talaga eh.
Kasi top 5 na sila eh.
Yeah, gagaling
Top
natin.
5 na sila and it was really hard judging, believe me. Ang hirap. Ang hirap kasi every costume was really, of course I judged the craftsmanship, so every costume was really into every detail, so yeah, ang hirap i-judge ng mga contestants natin for the competition. Pero at the end, we'll know later.
Is it your first time judging a cosplay competition?
No.
Okay. Well, I thought so. Okay, anyway, we will have, Dan and I will have a simple trivia game courtesy of Animax. So, stay put guys, ha? Okay, maalis. But yes, before
For
that,
that, let's watch this video on what's on with the channel of the best anime Animax.
so another round for the video saves. Let's do this.
On January 31, 5:30 p.m. Monday to Friday. Next is Hard Fight Vanguard, Link Joker. On January 19, 11 a.m. and that is a Sunday. And of course, on February, the epic anime from the same director as Death Note, Catch Guilty Crown, as it premieres on February 3, 11 p.m. From Mondays to Fridays.
Yes, actually Guilty Crown is a well-known
Oh, sorry,
anime.
3 p.m.
Yeah. Well-known anime na paborito ng maraming anime fans, no? So, yeah. So, are we...
Now that you guys know what animes will be premiering on Animax this January and February, it's time to start our trivia game.
Yeah, trivia na tayo guys, ha?
Yes, we'll give out prizes again to anyone who can answer correctly the following trivia questions.
Okay, so here's what we're gonna do to avoid katulad
Yes.
kahapon kasi masyadong mabilis ang nagtataas. We will randomize, I suppose, what we need from you. Okay? So, halimbawa, if you have what we are looking for, a certain item of that anime, sige, bigay, we'll call you. Okay? Si ate na pala pipili. Okay, sige, forget about that. Forget everything I said. Si ate na to, ang bahala.
Yes, there will be someone who will be choosing
Okay.
from everyone who raises their hands after the count of 3. The same as yesterday for all those who were here, but for everyone again, raise your hands after I say 3.
Yes. Okay, so